morning, friends. We are discussing second chapter, electrostatic potential, and from this chapter already few points of this capacitor or introduction of this capacitor we have seen. Now we are going to find out what is the combination of capacitor. So, what is combination of capacitors? See, when one or two capacitors are combined, then their effective capacitance is different. Even the way we connect them, the effective capacitance also depends the arrangement to get their combination and effective capacitance. Two major ways are there. One we call it as a series combination, one we call it as a parallel combination. And sometimes few capacitors in series and few capacitors in parallel also we connect. Now let us see one by one. Series combination. First one is series combination. There are two capacitors we are taking. One is C1, another one is C2, and they are connected in series. Second plate of one is connected to the first plate of second, and then this is left. Left side is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Right side is connected to. So here it is plus on this one. Here it is minus on this one. Naturally here it comes plus and here it comes minus. If charges are equal, then no field or no current will flow. But if charges are not equal, then electric field will set up in the conductor and charges will go from one plate to another plate as long as equilibrium does not exist. When charges become equal, then no further exchange of charges takes place. In this one, they are connected in. So here it is the plus Q charge, here it is the minus Q charge, here it is the plus Q, here it is the minus Q charge. But charge on each plate is the same charge. On this plus, minus. Now, here, whenever they are connected in series, charge on every capacitor, every individual capacitor remains same, but the potential is divided. That is, up to this one, it is a V1, up to this 2, it is a V2, and then we get relation. V is equal to V1 plus V2. Charge is same, so Q is equal to C1 V1, which is also equal to C2 V2, which is also equal to CV. It is the effective capacitance of both. It is the capacitance of first, capacitance of second. It is the effective capacitance of. Let us take this one. So therefore, in this one, V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2, V is equal to Q by C. This we can take this one, or V1 is equal to Q by. If I substitute it here, Q by C, Q by C1, Q by C2, Q is common, 1 by C is equal to C2, or C is equal to C1 by C2, C1 plus C2. Effective capacitance of these two when they are in series is equal to C1, C2. Now suppose we take three capacitors, 1, 2, 3 capacitors we take it. Then Same one. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Q plus Q minus plus minus plus minus. So this becomes Q by C, the effective of all these one. It is the effective of all these one, which is equal to Q by C1, Q by C2 plus Q by C3. 1 by C is equal to C1, C2 plus C3. When 3 are there. So on, if n number of capacitors are connected, then their equivalent becomes C1 plus C2 plus C3, so on, plus Cn. So whenever there are n number of capacitors connected in series, then their equivalent becomes this one. If C1 is equal to C2 is equal to Cn, 1 by C is equal to n by C1, or C is equal to C1 by n. When they are connected in series, equivalent capacitance reduces. Now, next way, second combination is a parallel combination. In second combination, we are going to discuss parallel combination. What is a parallel combination? If these capacitors are connected in this way and one terminal positive of the battery, other terminal, it's a C1, it's a C2. Now in this one, they are in parallel, therefore potential remains the same. What remains the same? Potential remains the same. But charges on this one, current is different. So here it is a Q1, here it is a Q2, plus minus Q1, minus Q1, plus Q2, here it is Q2. In this case, charges are divided along different branches, but the potential remains same. So, V is equal to V1, which is equal to V2, but Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. We know that Q is equal to CV. C is equivalent, which is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2. V is same, but V is equal to V1, which is equal to CV is equal to C1 V2, C2 V, or we get C is equal to C1 plus C2. If 3 capacitors are there, then C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If n number of capacitors are there, so on Cn. C1 plus C2 plus so on Cn. If n number of capacitors are connected. If all these capacitors, C1 is equal to C2 is equal to Cn, C is equal to NC1, NC1. When they are connected in parallel, equivalent capacitor increases. This is the second thing. There is one solved problem on the basis of this one. Let us discuss solved problem. It's a idea. A network of 4 10 microfarad capacitors is connected to 5-volt supply as shown in figure. Determine A, equivalent capacitance of the network, and B, the charge on each capacitor. Note, the charge on a capacitor is a charge on the plate with a higher potential, equal and opposite to the charge on the plate with a lower potential. Now here the figure is given. It's a 2.9. Solve problem 2.9 from book. Problem 2.9. It's one capacitor here, another capacitor here, third capacitor here, then fourth capacitor here. And here there is a battery connected. In between there is a battery connected. It's a 500 volt. Its a figure is given in problem. It's a 10 microfarad. This is 10 microfarad. This is 10 microfarad. This is also 10 microfarad. Equivalent is asked of them. What is the equivalent of all these four? Let us simplify. These are all three. You can see this one. This to this. They are in. So we can just straight up. We can make it all these three in this two. This is coming here parallel. And then here it is coming as 500 volt. So all these are 10. This is 10 microfarad. So they are in series. So combination of this one is 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1, 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3, which becomes 1 by C is equal to 3 by 10, or C is equal to 10 by 3 microfarad. All these one will become as their combination. So we get next figure. This is 1. 10 by 3, and then it is 10 here. Then it's a 500, it's a connected. So they are in parallel, therefore C is equal to CP, CS with ID, C1 plus C2, when they are in parallel. So it becomes CP is equal to 10 by 3 plus 10, which becomes 40 by 3. So now single capacitor remains there, that is, this becomes, so equivalent capacitor of this combination is 40 by 3. These all combination equivalent is equal to C equivalent is equal to 40 by 3 microfarad or 13.33 microfarad. This becomes. Now let us see. On this one, charges will be Q1. On this one, charges will be Q2. Whenever on these three, as they are in series, charges will remain same. But on this one, charge will remain different. So here there is a Q1, here there is a Q2. When they are in parallel, voltage remains same. So V 500 is equal to V1 plus V2. So now Q we want to find out. Therefore 500 is equal to V1 is Q1 by C1. Q1 we want to find out, but this is 10 into 3. So charge on this one, Q1 will become as 500 divided by 3 into 10. It's a microcoulomb. So that is equal to 5 by 3 into 10 raised to power minus plus 3 is there, 10 raised to minus, which becomes 5 by 3 millicoulomb. So charge on this one, this are equal to 5 by 3 millicoulomb. Now similar way we can find out charge on this individual one. Q2 is equal to, this one was Q1. Q2 is equal to C2 V2. C2 is 10 into 500, which is equal to 5000 microcoulomb, or this is equal to 5 millicoulomb. So on this one, it will be of 5 millicoulomb, while on this one 5 by 3 millicoulomb. So net charge, total charge, if you see this one, their equivalent becomes this much multiplied by 500. If you see their charges, it will become total charge on this one is Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2, which is equal to 5 plus 5 by 3, which becomes 4 by 3 into 5, 20 by 3 millicoulomb. We can recheck it by using this one. This is total charge supplied by battery. On this 3, charge is 5 by 3 microcoulomb, but on this one, charge is 5 millicoulomb. It's a millicoulomb. So this is the way we can go on simplifying. Many branches are there. Convert it into series and parallel combination. Then we can get voltage, charge, and capacitance of equivalent. That's all for combination of capacitors. Thank you.